Hi everybody, this is Casey Copeland and this is assignment 5, AEP 867. Today I was going to talk about what I needed to change for my assignment 4, my unit. For my unit I did the research paper that I teach for the freshman English class. And I definitely know that I need to fix a couple things. One is going to be explaining the thesis, which I have pulled up here. This is the thesis builder that we've used for several years now. It kind of helps students with putting together the thesis. Here you see what's the topic, what's your main opinion, evidence part 1, 2, 3, counterclaim, and then put it all together. And as you can see, it can be pretty self-explanatory, but at the same time, students really struggle. Even when I'm showing them what to do, they kind of struggle with it. As you can see, I'm one of the students that I fixed. So he picked the U.S. intervention in Iraq, but he doesn't have his, if he's for or against it, and then he put it on evidence part 1. And it was kind of just a mess. They don't really like to look at the example answer. So I had to fix a lot of them, and I'm going to try to figure out how to make it so I don't have to fix so many and show them how to do it, more activities with it. Even when I'm going through this, I say, okay, so you're against abortion. Why are you against abortion? Because. And then what do other people say about it? Why would other people be for it? Oh, well, this reason. So it gets a lot better once I do that. But just having here, they don't do well with it. So even if I put, well, because, then they put it in your thesis, and I am against abortion because it's murder, because. No, you just need it once, but I could always just mesh it out too. And so I think this needs to be tweaked a lot, actually, so that they understand that, definitely. And they also need to understand more that claims are supporting their thesis, so they're finding information that supports claim 1, claim 2, claim 3, counterclaim, instead of just their topic as a whole. For some reason, they don't seem to understand that very well. So I definitely think that we're going to have to do more activities with that and fix it. So do the tasks yield appropriate evidence of the identified understandings? Yes, I do a lot of worksheets. I check constantly, okay, what is this claim supporting on your notes? Oh, well, I don't know. Oh, okay, well then, if you're not going to know, then you need to show me what else you're doing. Things like that. So I feel like they definitely show me what they understand and what they don't understand. And the activities that we do also. Do the tasks involve a complex real-world application of the identified knowledge, skill, and understanding? Yes, this is what I love about the research paper. They pick a controversial topic that they've heard of, and they research it and figure out why they believe the things that they do, and they back up claims. And so I think that it's great that they get to do that. A lot of things are in the news now, are controversial. I don't let them do a couple things. I don't like gay marriage papers. Some of them are awesome, some of them are not. I don't like legalization of drug papers because I just see a lot of them. But there's so many different topics that they can choose from. And so you're taking a real world situation and you're researching it. And you're explaining why you think the way you do. I think that's a great thing to do for them. Are a variety of appropriate assessment formats used to provide additional evidence of learning? Yes, it's not just a test, it's not just a rough draft, it's not just the final draft. It's your notes. Are you understanding how to go find something? It's the source lookup, it's the outline, I'm using so many different things for these kids to tell me that they understand what they're doing, not just doing it. Are students given the appropriate opportunity to self-assess and reflect upon their learning and performance? Yes, they are, especially with the rough draft. Okay, so Ms. Copeland showed me that this is the issue, and I gotta go back and I gotta fix it. Well, now I know for next time that this is wrong. Or I go and I check their introduction paragraphs. Oh, this isn't cited correctly. Okay, so now I need to go through and I need to look through this. And I've also told them that they need to talk out loud and they have to peer edit. And so this gives them a great opportunity to say, oh, I messed up on this. I need to go back. And they've been awesome because some of them are like, oh, this website isn't credible. I gotta go find another one once they figure it out. So it's been awesome for them to learn and to see and self-assess. And not always me assessing. So those are some of the things that I've seen, and I'm ready for the tune to be over. But yes, all right. Thanks. Have a great Thanksgiving.